In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a funnel in GoHighLevel. So, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started with a few simple steps. First things first, open your preferred browser and type GoHighLevel into your search bar. This is the starting point of our journey today. Once the search results are displayed, you'll want to look for the official website, which is www.gohighlevel.com. This is where you'll be doing all the magic to create your funnel. After you've accessed the site, log into your GoHighLevel account, which should bring you to the dashboard. From here, navigate to the main menu and select Sites. Within this section, you'll find the Funnels option. Go ahead and click on it, because this is where you'll actually begin building your funnel. To start, simply click the Plus New Funnel button. You'll be presented with three options: from Template, Funnel AI, and Blank Funnel. You can choose to browse through the available templates if you prefer starting with something pre-designed. Alternatively, if you're feeling adventurous, you can use the AI option to help structure your funnel. However, if you want to start from scratch, just give your new funnel a name and then click Continue. The backbone of every funnel is its pages, which guide visitors smoothly through the process. To add these, click on Add New Step. This will allow you to create a new page, and you'll need to provide it with a name and a URL path to make it identifiable and effective. For further customization, open the funnel editor for your new page. Here, the drag-and-drop builder is your best friend. You can effortlessly add sections, rows, and various elements to craft each page exactly as you envision. Customization doesn't have to stop there. You can adjust the size, color, font, and numerous other properties of your sections, rows, and elements to perfect the look and feel of each page. Once you're satisfied with a page, remember to save your work to ensure no changes are lost. And that's not all. Continue to add steps or pages to your funnel until you have a complete customer journey mapped out. It's essential to link these pages correctly to guide visitors towards your ultimate conversion goal. This ensures that your funnel effectively leads customers through each stage. When you're confident that your pages are all set and your funnel is properly connected, it's time to share your creation with the world. You can go ahead and publish your funnel to make it live. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a funnel in GoHighLevel. Keep practicing to refine your skills, and soon enough, you'll be crafting funnels like a pro.